Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling these joggers with the bomber jacket and again with the sweatshirt and with the hoodie. So I can't wait to show you how they're gonna look. In case you have these joggers, you can style it with this kind of item that I just showed you guys. My lovely people, my coolest people, let's go. You can see the way the first outfit look. I like it. The joggers are very nice joggers as well. And with the bomber jacket, you see how it look, very cool, very nice as well. You can put red round neck or red t-shirt underneath as well. It's gonna looking cool if you put bomber jacket on top of it. I like the way it look on me, very nice, very cool as well. Don't forget, you put Air Force One on or any kind of nice training that you like, that it can go with the joggers. You see how this Air Force One look? It looking really cool. It looking stylish on it as well. And I like joggers as well. The print on the joggers is very stylish. The way they sew the joggers, the tailor do the right job and everything was looking cool. I like it. When I first put it on, I quite enjoyed the way it look on me. Very fitting properly. My size is 32. Sometimes I take 34, but make sure you get your own right size because sometimes it might not fit you properly. But when you get your perfect size, it will look nice on you. Either 32 or 34. If you using any size I told you, but make sure you take 34 or 32. Or if you're using any bigger size, take the one on top so it will look well in case the way they sew it. Sometimes they sew it too tight, so you need a little bit space to fit you properly to looking cool on you. I like the way the joggers look, very nice, very cool. And the paint on it as well, very stylish, very cool, very nice. Does it not look cool? I like it. If you're feeling relaxing, feeling chill, if the weather getting too like a bit too hot, you can take the bomber jacket off, then the round neck or the t-shirt underneath. It can keep you cool, keep it nice. You're still looking cool, looking nice as well. I like this. With the white bomber jacket, it's amazing. It's amazing. Look at that. It's very fitting, very stylish as well. So in case you have this kind of joggers or any joggers you have, you can style it like this. First put the white. No, don't put white. First put the red round neck on before you put bomber jacket on top of it. It's gonna look really cool and stylish as well. I like the way the vibe looks. Very cool, very nice, relaxing as well. Very chill. Honestly, it's very cool. And the way the bomber jacket look compatible and complete the outfit as well. Very cool, very stylish. If you use styling like this, people will give you compliment because they know you're dripping and you're looking stylish. And that's why I'm passing you back in case you get your joggers. If you have these kind of joggers, style it this way. You're gonna be cool. You're gonna be nice. You see how the color combination looking really nice, very calm, very cool, very stylish as well. I like the vibe. Make sure you press the joggers, but don't press the printing side. Sometimes the jogger kind of creeps. It doesn't give you kind of nice vibe or nice look to it when you put it on. But when you iron it, you see the way it look on me when I iron it. It looking nice. The way they sew it, it will come on you properly and it show style of the joggers very well, very nice as well. I like it. I can't lie you. Very relaxing, very cool as well. Everything just makes sense. I like it. I like it. Very cool. So my coolest, my nicest people, let's move on to the next. The second style, I like it. You guys can see the way the sweatshirt look. Very nice, very cool. I like the way it look on me. Very stylish as well. In case you have this kind of joggers, you know what to wear on it. And I like the print on top of it as well. Very nice print as well. Very cool. Very vibing as well. Don't forget to iron your sweatshirt as well. If you iron your sweatshirt properly, everything is gonna be fine. You see the way he looking on me, very stylish, very vibing. I like the way he looking on me. And if you try the same way, you're gonna be amazing, you're gonna be cool. The vibe is there. Look, does it not there? It's there, and I like it. So if you try the same way, everything is gonna be amazing. Very cool, very chilling, very vibing as well. The joggers, cool. Ironing properly, the color match everything, the color combination, the swag is there, the styling vibe is there, the feeling chill as well. And don't forget your bracelets, your wristwatch, your necklace, you need to put it on because when you put it on, you're gonna see the changing, things are gonna be changed, and people will know you're stylish, and people will know you're vibrant, and people will compliment you because they know you're very coolest person. So they will come closer to you and they will give you the compliment that you deserve. You know why? Because you're a stylish person. Look how you look. And also don't forget to clean your trainers as well, because when you clean your trainers, it's gonna be dripping, it's gonna be dapper, it's gonna be chill. And people will check if your trainers is cool or it's clean. Vibe is cool, is nice. Don't forget to clean your trainers. And if you clean your trainers, people will know you're stylish and the vibe is there. So don't stop. And people will know you're very stylish, you're cool, you're nice. I like this way. I like the way the joggers feel with the sweatshirt. Everything make more sense with the vibe. Look, honestly, the vibe is there. I like how everything look. The stylish vibe. So if you have the same joggers or you have any joggers that very cool, you like it, you can style it the way I'm styling with it. You can style it the way I'm styling this, because you can see the way the sweatshirt look amazing, very cool, very light, very relaxing, very chill as well. Don't forget your bracelets, as I said earlier before, bracelet, necklace, it change the vibe, it make everything better, nicer, cool. And the jewelries, it will bring your outfit more in a very nice way as well. So my coolest people, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. The last one, I like the way the hoodie look. The hoodie is just nice hoodie. You can see how the color makes sense, match everything, very stylish as well, very relaxing, chill. My size is medium size. You see the way he look on me, very cool. You can get your own perfect size. If you get the right size on you, you're gonna see how the hoodie is gonna match the joggers properly. And make sure you put the nice trainer that you like. Color, I put white on, and white make everything looking cool. If you have different color, you can put it on, like red. Have red trainings, you can put it on and it's gonna looking really cool, really nice on you. You can see how looking cool I am right now. And if you try the same way, people will give you compliment. Your joggers is gonna be stylish on you, you're gonna be cool, you're gonna be nice and free as well. The pocket is there, the pocket is there as well, very nice pocket as well, very chill, very vibing as well. And the hoodie, very nice. The color combination, it just match. Looking properly, in case you are the same similar or you have something closer to this hoodie, you can start like with the joggers, with your own joggers that you have as well. You see the color high, looking nice, fresh, vibing as well. I can't lie, you I like the vibe, just nice, relaxing as well. I didn't put anything under. Don't put anything under, because if you put anything under, it won't give the hoodie more, it be free on you, more stylish, more relaxing. It will too much tighten you. But when you wear it like that, like you don't put anything underneath, it will be cool, it will be nice, it will be free, it will be relaxing as well. Don't forget your necklace. You need to put your necklace on, your bracelets, your wristwatch, your ring. It will bring the outfit more. The accessory, it take the outfit to another level you not even think about. And people will see you, they will know you're looking cool, you're looking stylish. I like the vibe. I can keep going. Things will become better, nicer, cooler as well. I like the everything. I don't see anything wrong about this vibe. What do you guys see? Do you think you see anything? If you see anything, let me know. Go to the comment section. Let me know. I'll be happy. I don't even know which one to pick. I like the first one. The second one even looking cool. And the last one is amazing. I don't know which one to pick. If you know which one to pick, go to the comment section. Let me know. I'll be happy. Drop your comment and I'll be glad as well. Look, the vibe is cool. The joggers is nice on me. And that's how it's going to looking cool on you as well if you style it the same way. And people will be giving you a compliment because they know you deserve it. So my coolest people, my lovely people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you amazing, coolest, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.